Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome to my apartment tour. I live in about 650 square foot, one bedroom apartment that is maybe 20, 30 miles outside of Philadelphia. I've been living here now for 2 years. The rent is $1,500 a month, which doesn't include the parking down below nor the utilities. And I would like to just share with you guys, run you through my apartment, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. I'm gonna give you guys a really quick tour of the space. So as we walk in, we get hit with the kitchen. The kitchen has all stainless steel appliances. That includes a fridge, a dishwasher, electric oven, microwave, and all of the countertop space and cabinet space you kind of need with lots of sauces, water. Always got to keep a nice Chianti in here, guys. We got some Costco chicken. I got Costco chicken. Fage yogurt, this stuff's the best. This is probably the biggest kitchen I've ever had in an apartment. Also right behind me in my kitchen, I have my calendar. That way, you know, staying organized is so important, guys. You gotta know what days you're working and who you're working with. So, I mean, I got all that stuff posted right up in my kitchen, and I usually take a peek at it right as I'm making coffee in the morning. As you're walking in, you see this ladder right here. It was a gift. It is purely for decorative purposes. I got a couple bar stools here from IKEA. This is where I always put my work clothes. Here I have this really unique, cool bookshelf that I use to display a lot of stuff. So this bookcase right here and all these like baskets, in addition to this bookcase over here, and this really cool gold light. I actually got them for free from this billionairess. I'm not even kidding you. She was moving out of her apartment at Penn, and we got to snag some of this stuff for free. So this bookshelf and that light and everything, super high quality. My bass and guitar over there, which I do jam out to on occasion. I have the Xbox Series X over there to play some games with the boys. 55-inch TV, Samsung TV. I have a Samsung soundbar over there, which makes listening to music or listening to movies super awesome. Once again, we have another IKEA coffee table, $12 IKEA rug, which obviously isn't high quality, but it does match the style of the IKEA TV stand. And this IKEA futon, which I've had forever. Oh my gosh. This, guys, is what I slept on a lot during PA school. I kid you not. Just crash out on the futon. Yes. We have these huge windows over here. It's very nice during the day. Right here, I got some storage space, filing cabinet, IKEA, desk, IKEA. This is where the magic happens, guys. It's where I edit all of my YouTube videos. And then right above the space, I have all of my degrees, you know, proudly displayed. A little bit of inspiration and motivation to work hard and keep always trying to get your dreams, right? I got the really large Penn State flag. I swear it is not a cult. It is not a cult, guys. It is not a cult. I did want to put like a desk or something in this area and kind of have it like a music studio because I do have my keyboard and stuff under there. However, I never got around to it. I do one day want to change that desk out and actually have it be black or some other color so that it ties in with all my other furniture. Over here in the corner, I have my safe with a few, toys that people shouldn't really be touching. Queen size bed, super comfortable. I'm always on the right side of the bed. I don't know why, but I just find it very comfortable. Really large window with a balcony. There is a balcony. I mean, it's a fake balcony because you can open this up, but you have nowhere to go. So yeah. Got a little IKEA nightstand too, very cheap. Throw some books on there. Read. I got the cabinet here, lots of clothes. I got this thing over here. Once again, lots of clothes. I like how organized it is. Washer and dryer here, obviously super helpful. I don't have to go to a laundromat anymore. You know, we have a not very glamorous ADA compliant bathroom. So what is the future of this apartment? My goal is to bring together design a bit more cohesive design, to practice a bit more minimalism and get rid of stuff that I don't need or that I'm not using. Another reason I'm making this video is that I'm going to actually be leaving. I found a 2-bedroom apartment for less money in the same town. The goal is by time, hopefully 2022, I will be buying my own house, and then I could design it and decorate it and style it however I want, right? Have my own proper space.